Tired of juggling 5 different tools just to send a text, make a call, or shoot out a reminder email? Maybe you're losing leads because messages don't get seen, or spending way too much on platforms that charge monthly for features you barely use. Yeah, I've been there too. But I found something that actually simplifies all of it. It's called Easify, and it does exactly what the name promises. One place to run your SMS, voice, email, and even ringless voicemail campaigns, with AI that helps you write better messages and automations that save you serious time. And the best part? You only pay once. No monthly fees. More on that in a sec. Let's start with what you'll probably use the most: texting and calling. With Easify, you can send out bulk SMS blasts, make voice calls, or even drop voicemails without the phone ever ringing. Perfect for things like appointment reminders, flash sales, or following up with leads without annoying people. It's fast, clean, and yes, fully compliant with do not call rules. Next, AI-powered messaging. If writing outreach copy isn't your thing, Easify's got you. It helps you craft messages that sound natural, not robotic, and even sets up auto-replies when someone texts you back. You can build simple automations too, like send this text, wait 1 day, drop a voicemail, follow up with email. No tech skills needed. It just works. You're not stuck with just texts either. Easify lets you send emails alongside everything else and manage it all from one easy-to-use inbox. No more jumping between apps to check who replied where. And it works on desktop or mobile, so you're never out of the loop whether you're at your desk or on the move. There's more under the hood too: IVR phone menus for routing calls, geo-targeting for local campaigns, and even lead capture forms to collect contacts straight into your Easify dashboard. It's built for people who need marketing tools that do, not tools that just sit there. Now here's the kicker. All of this would normally cost you $49 to $109 every month. But on AppSumo, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment starting at just $69. That's it. No subscriptions, no surprise bills. Use it forever, no matter how big your business grows. Look, Easify isn't some bloated tool with a million features you'll never touch. It's clean, smart, and actually makes life easier, especially if you run a small business, agency, or just want to connect better with your customers. If that sounds like something you've been looking for, check out the lifetime deal link below. Try it out. If it's not a fit, AppSumo gives you 60 days to refund. No questions asked. Links in the description. Don't sleep on this one. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, feel free to like, share, or drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.